Welcome back, YouTube fam. I go by Byshaad, and welcome to my channel Byshaad. If you're new to the channel, welcome, welcome, welcome. Hit that subscribe button. I won't disappoint you with none of my videos. I do a lot of dope customs. Do it yourself. Hopefully I can teach some of y'all a thing of two, or just show y'all the ropes on how I do my customs for my customers. Today we'll be doing a 3M reflective Playboy bunny. It's two different sizes I'm going to be working with. So yeah, come on, let's get into this video. I'm going to be working on what other shoe than the classic all white Air Force Ones. I'm going to be putting 5 on each shoe. So I have 5 on the right shoe and then 5 on the left shoe. I have my vendors already cut out. I make these myself, so I can't really tell y'all where to get these. Eventually I will start selling my vendors that I make, so you can purchase yourself as long as you watch my videos. So you got your vendor, got your shoe, got your little needle point tool, scissors to cut the vendor out, but I cut mine out already, and then your little mini iron. I already have mine on medium setting. This is the Clover brand. You get this from Amazon. Has 3 different settings. I love this. Probably used it over 100 times. It's worth it. It's like $30, maybe a little bit closer to 40. But yeah, let's start this shoe custom. All right, got my shoe out. I'm going to go ahead and take the excess of this vendor that I don't need with my pointing tool. So I'm just going to pull it up. You will be able to see the Playboy bunny after I pull it up. And then take the little eye out. Sorry, Playboy bunny. And see if I can get focused on that. And that's what you will be working with. And it's reflective when that flash hit it. I will show y'all the final product. Alright, I'm back after I let my iron settle down some from being too hot. I'm gonna go back into this custom. Like I said, if you burn it like this and it does not destroy the vendor, you're good. If it do destroy the vendor, you will have to pull this up, and you can use your little pointing tool to pull the vendor up off of the shoe and place another one on the shoe. But keep in mind, always use the medium or low setting when you're doing shoe customs. So I'm gonna go ahead and get this placed on my medium setting now. So you want to use a little pressure. And if the vendor is still sticking to the transfer paper, just put some more heat on it. Alright, as you can see, it did not ruin the vendor. So that's perfect. You can scratch it and everything. Alright, and then I'm going to place this big one around this point. I'm going to place that about a straight angle. I'm going to get this little corner a little better. Alright, so that's the big one on there. I'm going to place another small one right up here. Have that facing down some. So make sure you don't place the Vindle on the sock liner, which is kind of like a mesh type of material. It will burn through that, so that's a no-no. Alright, got that on there. I'm gonna place another big one like that. Going for that type of angle. Alright, so now we just have one more to place to finish the shoe off. I'm gonna place it kind of in the back, and I'm gonna have it facing down. So the flat parts are not as tricky as parts where you have to go over, like the Nike check or the little mid panel, or if you're putting on a toe box. Just take your time with it. Take your time with it. All right. So this is the right shoe have done. I'm gonna go ahead and do the left shoe, and I'm gonna come back and show you guys the final product. But yeah, this is really dope. I love this custom. Looks good on anyone, kids, women, men. But yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and get the left shoe done, and I'll be right back. Alright guys, I am finally done with the left shoe. I am ready to show y'all the final product of this Playboy bunny custom that I do with two different size Playboy bunnies. So here we go. Y'all ready? Let's get it. Stack them on top. So this is the final product. My customer will receive this shoe, and I'm sure they will be well happy of the shoe. Like I said, this is 3M. I will show y'all with flash on what it looks like. Just make sure you don't blind no one, because it is extremely reflective. So there you go, there you go, there you go, there you go. Alright, just like every other video, I have the shoe in my hand talking. I want to thank everyone for watching this video and tuning in. Thank you for all my supporters. If you're not a subscriber by now, make sure you subscribe, hit that notification button, like this video, comment down below on what you think about this custom. Would you wear this custom? Do you think it's dope? Would you buy it? Would you try to do it yourself? You know, just talk to me on here. Like I said, thank y'all everyone for all the support that y'all showing me. And that's it for this video. I'm out.